Hi, it's Mark Coleman from Paul's Photo and the Creative Photo Academy. Happy day 140 of the Be Creative series. Here I am. I came to downtown Los Angeles today. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. And for those of you who've had my photo boot camp, you know this is the wrong time of the day to be taking pictures. The sun's too hot, the sun's too high, the shadows are too strong. When do we usually want to take landscape and scenic photography? Early in the morning and late in the afternoon. But there's one exception for that. I brought my secret weapon today. It's my infrared camera. You know, I'm going to do an amazing workshop with my good friend Piper Mackay, an amazing photographer. She and I are going to do infrared photography. We're going to show you all about it. August 14th, 15th, and 16th. There's still time to sign up. But let's talk about what we're going to do today. So I see behind me the Grand Park Fountain and the DWP building behind me. I'm going to walk right up to the barricade here to get the water in the foreground. So I'm using infrared, so 720 nanometers on the light scale. So this is actually near infrared. I'm not seeing heat, I'm not seeing people in the dark, but right here I'm going to come right up to the scene. I'm going to compose the scene, and because I have a converted camera, I can shoot just like normal. I'm ISO 200, a thousandth of a second at f8, and I'm framing the scene, and it's going to be beautiful. Because it's an infrared picture, the trees are going to turn white, the sky's going to turn black. It's an amazing look. It's a fun look in photography. So what do you need to do that? You need a mirrorless camera, and then we're going to send it to our friends up at LifePixel, and they're going to take the low pass filter out and put in a 720 nanometer cutoff filter. That's what I like to do. That's what I'm doing today. It's a great trick. It's great fun. I like to photograph all the time. And having an infrared camera, it's all it does is this kind of photography, but what it does is it allows me to take pictures in the middle of the day. I couldn't get out early this morning. I did a webinar for you guys. I can't get out this afternoon. I've got stuff to do at home. Middle of the day, infrared camera, I'm rocking. So I'm gonna go take this picture and I'll see you real soon. Come on down to Creative Photo Academy and Paul's Photo. We'll have some fun together and we'll make some great pictures. Oh, this is an awesome scene. I really wish you were here to see it. I wish we were here to photograph together, but it's not safe. As soon as I'm done here, I'm going to put my mask on. We're staying out of trouble. We're keeping each other safe because we're going to survive this. Remember, share your pictures. Hashtag Paul's Photo, hashtag Creative Photo Academy, and hashtag We're All Together. Because we're all in this together, and with our cameras, we'll survive, keep our heads strong, our hearts strong, and we're going to get out there and have some fun together. I'll see you tomorrow for the next episode of Be Creative.